Hey YouTube, Kentucky Madman again. Hey listen, I know a lot of guys are running into problems with their Jeeps, specifically the Wranglers, 1997 and 2006. One of the big things that goes out is the Crankshaft Position Sensor, which is this item right here. And there's an easy way to check to see if your sensor's bad. All you need is a 5-volt power supply, which what I ended up doing here, took an old USB cable from, I think it was from an old printer, cut the end off of it, and you want the red and the black wires. You strip those back. This is just a typical, this was an LG phone charger. You plug that in and you've got your instant 5 volts for testing. On the plug, the way I'm holding it top side up is where the catch on the vehicle side, or I should say the wiring harness side, clips where you have to release it. And what you want to do is use a few alligator clips, test leads. Your center line, your center contact is going to be your ground. The left, as you're looking at it, is your 5 volts in. And the yellow that I've got here would be the signal that you would be sending to the ECU PCM. What I've done is connected my 5-volt power supply. The sun is giving me problems here. I've got the negative on the black, the positive on the red jumper, and then I've got the positive lead to my voltmeter hooked into the power. What I've also done is taken the sensor lead, connected that to the negative post of the sensor. As you can see, when it's just sitting here, at least I hope you can see that, I'm not really showing any voltage on there at all, less than a volt. You take your sensor, use something metal, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to use the screwdriver tip. You'll feel the magnet on there. If this sensor is working, you should see your 5 volts coming through. Basically, a screwdriver is simulating the flywheel going by. There's a little switch in there. You got your 5 volts. You know you're good to go. So hopefully that'll save you guys some time, some headaches, and a lot of troubleshooting. Have a good one.